Hey, what's going on, guys? Asal here, and with another on-event tutorial, and this is about onload event. So what it does when the body of the tag, or you can the body of the script is loaded, it gonna call the function. It can call a function or call a event, which can be a JavaScript. So what we gonna do is just so that how we gonna create that. So first, you need to, on the body tag, you type onload, and it can call function from here like the another events if you know already. And now what I'm gonna do is create a h1 tag and call hello world, the usual syntax. Wait, what the heck? And now what I'm gonna do is create a script. We do not need to specify this because by default it thinks that it is JavaScript. So next what I'm gonna do is name it as create a function, which I will name my function. After that, no parameters, just what we gonna do is just alert, and inside that we're gonna pass, hey, your page is loaded, and here we're gonna call the function when this event called. So the moment we do this, the moment it load the what we call the body tag, it call the function. So this is the way it works. When it loaded, it gonna call the function. Like, you can look at it, right? So hope you guys understand. That's it for today's video, guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.